online social science classes, and I am your social science teacher Sangeeta Behra. Good morning students. Today I am back with your online classes for the class 7th geography subject and the chapter number 2. What is that? That is inside our earth. So first tell me, आप लोगों ने कभी सोचा है what is there inside our earth? Okay, tell me, what is earth? It is our homeland, right? So अब हम लोग को ये पढ़ना है कि इसके अंदर होता क्या है आखिर अर्थ के अंदर. लेट्स सी. वी विल स्टार्ट विथ our dynamic planet, which is our homeland. We used to stay there, we used to survive there, we used to enjoy there. So let's start the chapter. So are you ready with your books? Here, what is the earth made up of? You are having so much of questions in your mind now, right? What is wonders are there inside our earth, right? So let's start the chapter. In this chapter we should cover up the interior of the earth, means what is there inside our earth. Just like an onion, the earth is also made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Check the figure number 2.1. In this you can able to see what is there inside the earth. It consists of 3 main layers. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called as crust. Okay, it is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers on the continental masses and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. So continental masses क्या, जो land masses oceans के लग के होते हैं उनको continental masses बोला जाता है. ठीक है. And the ocean floors, the sea levels, those are known as ocean floors. Okay. तो क्रस्ट होता है हम लोग का सबसे ऊपर वाला लेयर जो कि अर्थ को पूरी तरह से ढका हुआ होता है. ठीक है. And it is about 35 kilometers. Write down that thing, students. And only 5 kilometers on the continental masses. And the main mineral consists of the continental mass are silica and alumina. It is thus called as Sial. Si means silica and Al means alumina. Okay. और उसके छोड़ के और क्या होता है क्रस्ट के अंदर? क्या क्रस्ट के अंदर the metal you will get, and inside that metal you will get core. Core is also divided into 2 main parts, outer core and the inner core. Okay. So later on we will discuss about that. Till then we can discuss about the crust. Okay. Till now we studied crust is 35 kilometers on the continental floor and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. Okay. And it's made up of what? Silica and alumina, which is known as Sial. Okay. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called as SIMA. Si for silica and Ma for magnesium. Okay. So just beneath the crust, as we already discussed, mantle is there. Mantle is extended up to the depth of 2900 kilometers below the crust. Means हम लोग को जो क्रस्ट पोर्शन है वो कहाँ मिलता है हम लोग को? जस्ट जो कि अर्थ को पूरी तरह से कवर अप किए हुए हैं, है ना. तो उसको छोड़ के जब हम लोग अर्थ के अंदर जाते हैं देन वी विल गेट द मेंटल. ओके. एंड दैट मेंटल इज ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 parts. One is lithosphere and another is the core mantle boundary. And after that core mantle boundary, what we will get? We will get the core. Okay. Core is also divided into 2 parts, inner core and the outer core. So students, let's discuss about the core also. Mantle we already discussed. The innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called as Nife. Ni for nickel, and Fe for ferrous, that is iron. Okay. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Okay. Those things you will get inside the earth. Means the interior part of the earth is divided into 3 parts. Okay. What is that? That is crust, mantle and core. Some important facts you should also know in Do You Know Facts. Okay. The crust forms only 1% of the volume of the earth. 84% consists of mantle and 50% consists of core. Means crust is having the more area to cover up on the floor of earth. Okay. The radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. Okay. So what we will know from crust, what the crust is made up of, we should have that one idea also. The idea is like this. You will get rocks and minerals on the floor of crust. The earth's crust is made up of various type of rocks. Any natural masses of mineral matter that makes up earth's crust is called as rock. Means जो भी नेचुरल मास ऑफ मिनरल क्रस्ट के ऊपर पाए जाते हैं दैट इज नोन एज रॉक. रॉक्स कैन बी डिफरेंट in color, size and texture. There are 3 major types of rocks. What are they? Those are igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. What becomes solid? The rocks become solids. Okay. तो अब ये बताओ कि igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock को क्यों डिवाइड किया गया? क्योंकि there are different temperatures and pressure on the earth surface, or you can say inside the earth surface also. Okay. So according to that, the rocks are being divided into 3 major types. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called as the primary rocks. They are of 2 types, intrusive and extrusive. Which are of 2 types? The igneous rocks. Okay, then write down please. The igneous rocks are divided into 2 types. Those are intrusive and the extrusive rocks. Okay. Can you imagine lava comes out from the volcanoes? किसी ने कभी volcano देखा है टीवी पे या फिर रियल लाइफ में? नहीं देखा ना? तो volcanoes कैसे इरेज होते हैं? It eroded through the core of the earth. Okay. And it comes out in the form of lava. Lava is actually fiery red molten magma, like some liquid portions comes out from the interior of the earth core. Okay. When this molten lava comes on the earth surface, it rapidly cools and becomes solid. जब volcanoes erupt होते हैं, at that time what happens? The lava comes in a liquid form from inside the earth, and when it comes outside the earth surface, means near the crust surface, it cools down and it becomes solid. And that solid portion of that lava is known as what? Igneous rock. Okay. तो अब आप लोगों को पता है कि लावा कैसे निकलते हैं? लावा जब वोल्केनो से निकलता है तो वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में होता है, लेकिन जब वो क्रस्ट के ऊपर आके गिरता है देन इट बिकेम्स सॉलिड, कूल्स डाउन एंड बिकेम्स सॉलिड, एंड वही सॉलिड पोर्शंस को igneous rock बोला जाता है. ओके. So now we get the knowledge of extrusive igneous rock, which is formed due to the molten lava comes out from the volcanoes. Okay. They have a fine grained structure. For example, that is called as basalt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth's crust. Okay. क्या होता है कि वो बहुत molten magma जो कि कहाँ से निकलता है? वॉल्केनो से. ओके. तो वॉल्केनो से जब निकलता है एट दैट टाइम समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन, इट्स कूल्स डाउन इनसाइड द अर्थ क्रस्ट इटसेल्फ. सॉलिड रॉक्स सो फॉर्म्ड आर कॉल्ड इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक. एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक कैसे है? जो कि आउटसाइड आके जो लावा आउटसाइड आके कूल्स होता है और बिकेम सॉलिड, that is known as extrusive. And those lavas or those molten magma which is cools down deep inside the earth's crust, that is known as intrusive igneous rock. Okay, since they cool down slowly, they have formed large grains. Granite is an example of such a rock. Intrusive igneous rocks का example क्या है बच्चों? ग्रेनाइट. और एक्सट्रूसिव igneous rock का रॉक्स का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? बसाल्ट. ओके, सो grinding stones used to prepare paste powder of spices and grains are made up of what? Granite. Okay, rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called as sediments. When rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and broken down into small fragments, okay, at that time what happens? The sediment particles are formed. Okay, these sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water etc. रवि, जब हम लोग सेडिमेंट्स को मतलब जो रॉक्स खुद रोल डाउन होते हैं ड्यू टू व्हाट? ड्यू टू द विंड और वाटर, and they heat each other, they broken into small fragments, they became the sediments. Those type of rocks are known as sedimentary rocks. हवा और पानी की वजह से जो रॉक बह के या फिर खुद रोल डाउन होके एक जगह जमा होते हैं और वहाँ पे अपना एक सेडिमेंटरी पोर्शन का निर्माण करते हैं, उस रॉक्स को क्या बोला जाता है? सेडिमेंटरी रॉक्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल सैंडस्टोन इज मेड अप फ्रॉम द ग्रेन्स ऑफ सैंड. These rocks may also contains fossils of plants, animals and other microorganisms that once lived to them. Like this, we can able to know about igneous and sedimentary rocks, which mostly formed by what? Formed by the different activities happens through volcanoes and through wind and water. Okay, so अब हम लोग को ये तो पता चल गया कि इग्नेस एंड सेडिमेंटरी रॉक्स का निर्माण कैसे होता है. ओके, अब हम लोग को ये जानना है कि हाउ द मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स आर बीइंग फॉर्म. इग्नेस रॉक्स एंड सेडिमेंटरी रॉक्स कैन चेंज इनटू मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स अंडर ग्रेट हीट एंड प्रेशर. ओके, जब इग्नेस रॉक और सेडिमेंटरी रॉक के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा हीट का प्रयोग होता है, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म क्षेत्र, जैसे अफ्रीका नियरर टू इक्वेटर, it's a very hot place in the summer area. Okay, at that time what happened? Due to the great heat and set pressure, the metamorphic rocks are being formed. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Okay, कैसे होता है? जब दोनों उस रॉक्स के ऊपर पूरी तरह से गर्मी और प्रेशर दिया जाता है तो वो दब के एक दूसरी रॉक का निर्माण करता है, जिसको हम लोग मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो लाइमस्टोन रॉक जो कि सेडिमेंटरी रॉक है वो क्या बन जाता है? मेटामॉर्फिक होने से मार्बल बन जाता है. और क्ले चेंज इनटू स्लेट्स. ओके, चलो ये तो हो गया कितने टाइप के रॉक्स और उसकी कैसे फॉर्मेशन होते हैं, मीन्स व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स एंड हाउ इट बिकेम्स फॉर्म्ड इन दिस एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, सो नाउ वी शुड लर्न हाउ द रॉक्स आर यूजफुल टू अस. मोस्टली विच टाइप ऑफ रॉक्स? एज मोस्टली वी यूज रॉक्स while making the roads, while making the houses and buildings, right? आप लोगों ने तो देखा होगा कंस्ट्रक्शन होते समय कि किस किस टाइप के रॉक्स को यूज़ किया जाता है. और इन आप लोग तो और ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं क्या खेलने के लिए? गोटी, है ना? तो हु आर ऑल प्लेइंग गोटी इन द हाउस? डोंट प्ले, यू विल स्टार्ट योर लर्निंग. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर 7 stones play games are there we used to play. We'll put one by one and then we will throw the balls on that. That is known as pittu game, right? You all have already played, right? Okay, and another is hopscotch, the tapu, kit game, 5 stones, gitti, like that. Some games are there which we boys and girls both used to play, right? So आप लोगों को क्या करना है? ऐसे और क्या क्या गेम आपके दादा दादी लोग खेलते थे गोटी को लेके या फिर पत्थर को लेके या फिर रॉक्स को लेके उसके बारे में पता लगाना है, ठीक है। ओके, देन लेट्स डू वन मोर थिंग, वी विल कलेक्ट द पिक्चर्स ऑफ मॉन्यूमेंट्स विच आर मेड ऑफ रॉक्स, लाइक द ताजमहल विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ वाइट मार्बल्स, ओके, like the red fort which is made up of red sandstone, okay। so इस तरह की क्या क्या monuments और हैं उसके pictures आप लोगों को collect करने हैं, and you have to bring those pictures when the school will reopen, okay। so students, you will collect, no, so do the collections and bring it while the school will reopen। and now we should know about the rock cycle। what is that? आखिर rock का भी कोई cycle होता है? ठीक है, तो पता लगाते हैं रॉक का साइकिल कैसे बनता है, ओके। सो यू विल बी सरप्राइज, द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ रॉक्स फ्रॉम वन टू अनदर इज नोन एज द रॉक साइकिल। जैसे अभी हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा कि इग्निस रॉक कैसे बनता है, ड्यू टू द मोल्टन मैग्मा विच इज कम्स आउटसाइड फ्रॉम द वॉल्केनोज इज यूज्ड टू फॉर्म द इग्निस रॉक, एंड द सेडिमेंट्स, हाउ द सेडिमेंटरी रॉक्स आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड, इट्स बीइंग फॉर्म्ड बाय the deposition of the different rock particles in a sedimentary way is known as sedimentary rocks, or how the metamorphic rocks are formed, is being formed by extensive heat and pressure created by the environment on the sedimentary and igneous rock which used to form the metamorphic rock, like this you already know। so check this figure number 2.4, which is a rock cycle। through this you can able to see how the sediments and the sedimentary rocks, how the magma becomes the igneous rocks, and how the igneous rock and the sedimentary rock both is being under the pressure of heat and pressure, they form the metamorphic rock, okay। so like this we already get the knowledge of formation of rocks and minerals in this environment, okay। the molten magma again cool down and solidify into igneous rocks, as we already discussed in this rock cycle also, the same thing is being discussed, okay। so students, now what are the minerals found in your state? You have to collect that minerals list, okay। rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Minerals are all very important to the mankind. Some are used as fuels. For example, what? Coal, natural gas and petroleum. How they will form? They will form through the different minerals. Okay, for example, the minerals found in industries such as iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. in medicine and in fertilizer also, the minerals are being used for the agriculture purposes, okay। so students, here we will conclude with this chapter, and you have to complete your book exercises also. Along with that, I will send you some questions more for your practice with the summary, and you have to answer it and send it back to me in the WhatsApp number, okay। till then, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you. Now check the figure of rock cycle, how the rocks are transformed among themselves, okay, and here we will conclude with the chapter.